another video in the Countdown to Spring giveaway series. Giveaway details in the description below. Basically, share this video. In this video, we will be unboxing February's Hello Happy. If you just love 31, make sure you just subscribe. Give this video a big like for my daughter and hit the bell. Thought it would be super fun and different if I had one of my kids do a voiceover. Let us know that you think in the comments below. If you don't know what Hello Happy is, it is a box of goodness that 31 puts together every month. There are only a few days to grab this Hello Happy box. And you can use it to get a February special. Let's get started. On the front of the box, it says, "What's inside that matters." What's inside that counts. And it is yellow and it is adorable. I am just so excited to see what's inside. Let's open this. It says, "You deserve things. Show yourself some love. Make the season brighter with a little self-care." This box is so cute. OMG, I just can't believe it. Ooh, let's see what. First, there's a necklace. That is so beautiful. It's bright and it has a rock in it, I think. It looks so cute. Second, there is 2 hair ties. That is beautiful colors. I just can't believe it. It is adorable. And one for me and one for my daughter. Third, we have a dish inside a sack. Let's take it out. That's a beautiful sack. I'm going to put this down. Let's see the mystery dish. This looks tricky. Let's see. It's wrapped. I think it's beautiful and white with a golden dot on it and golden around the side. I think that might have been a heart. It probably has some weight to it. Let's put it back so we don't break it. Slide it back in the box, and let's put it back in the cover. Ooh, there's a card in it. Let's see what it says. It has Hello Happy in the front, like always, with 2 golden circles around it. And 31 on the bottom, because it's 31. It's cute and adorable. And just like in the inside of the box, it says, "Show yourself some love." Ooh, it's confetti. White confetti. Just like the colors. Let's put everything back.
So there you have it, ladies. The official Hello Happy unboxing. Thank you to my daughter for helping her mom out do this special video for you ladies. Let us know what you think and how she did in the comments below. There's only a few days left to grab this box. I honestly love this box. It is like gift ready. You simply can ship it and it's already presented so beautifully. The box, I want to keep the box. Why? I don't know, but it's so gorgeous. This is so me. Art Deco. I'm calling it Art Deco. I might be inspired to like spread it around in this whole office, Art Deco. I am definitely going to be grabbing a few of these before the month's end so that I have some gift ready sets like for teachers, end of the year teachers, Mother's Day is coming up, Easter, birthdays. There's a ton of reasons to give this cute, adorable box to someone, and it just talks about self-care and loving yourself and taking some time for yourself, which is totally one of my things on my 2020 goals. Don't forget to get in on today's giveaway and yesterday and tomorrow and until Saturday, okay? When I announce all 7 winners. Lastly, retirement list. Winter's going away. Make sure you get in on March Mystery Hostess if you want to place an order, and you will get double points by March 8th.
Don't forget to subscribe. Here is my latest video. Here is all things 31 and the countdown to spring playlist so you can enter the giveaways. Bye!